I need to share this car with someone. No, it's a residential area. I need to slow down. Oh, he knows nothing. Oh, what is up, guys? What is up? I am in the BMW X5M Competition. It's a lot of words in a sequence, but I tell you what, BMW, when they put letters and numbers and things on a car in the name, they mean it. This is of course the competition version, and if I look a little nervous, it's because I am, and this is a car that does make me a little bit nervous. 460 kilowatts, 4.4 litre V8, same engine as the M5, 0 to 103.8 seconds. I can confirm that. Top speed of 290 kilometers an hour. I can't confirm that, but I believe them when they say these things, because this car is just mad. So mad that I'm not just gonna review it myself now. I'm actually inviting someone to review it, because I need to share this car with someone. And there's one guy that's been a supporter of my page for a long time, and I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna surprise this guy for the X5M competition. So let's do that. Hey. Yo, what's up? How's it going? How's it going? Alright. I wouldn't do the handshake thing, but you know the COVID regulations.
Oh, you didn't even tell me what you're doing.
Oh shit, he doesn't know what we're doing here. So basically, I know, I'm sorry, I stuck a camera in your face. Because of the car's awesome, and I know you've supported the page for a long time, and I really super appreciate it. So I just thought I'd come pop by here and say how's it, and let's go for a spin, man.
Yeah, I was just talking about this.
I know.
If you don't mind, if we could just sanitize, and then we can hop in.
My part is done here.
Done.
I'm handing it over to you now.
Hi, I'm Byron. I've been following Ernest for years now, ever since Killarney times, and I used to do some drag racing over there.
What car did you drive?
A bike actually.
Oh, okay.
XR750.
Oh, nice. So please.
No, it's not this car.
Nah,
It's a normal.
it's normal. Just hop in. There's a start button over there.
Button.
Yo. Not bad, eh?
Not
this car
bad
suits
at
you,
all.
bro. This car suits you. It's louder over here. I feel like the exhaust is running on this side, unless it's the speakers.
I don't think the speaker's on.
Some of these cars you don't even know, eh? Oh, that's a nice one.
R6.
Oh, it's the R6. I wanted to get an R6, but I chickened out, man. Yo, 355. So what are you feeling so far?
A bit nervous, because I mean this is quite a step up to, I mean, we drive an i20, a Polo, and an A3, like a 1.4 A3.
Slightly different.
So it's a little bit different.
Yeah. And as I said, it's a big car, man, and you can feel it's a big car.
Like I'm used to big cars because my father has a Hilux. But size-wise, it's okay.
See, I don't like big cars. I don't like cars this size. It's not my vibe.
I don't know what it's about, like, that attracts people to big cars.
I think the sitting height definitely. But then again, I'm starting to like Bucky's now.
Really?
Amarok's my favorite one. Yo, I would be so bowling so hard if I had an Amarok. Such a lekker Bucky. Yo.
But it looks like a lot of fun to be off-road in a car. Like the technology and everything inside of it. And
no, it's amazing. I never thought I'd like it as much as I like it. I flippin' love off-road driving. It's so lekker. And shout out to G-Boy. He gave me a tour of Atlantis the other day. We were off-roading in Atlantis. Ended up on top of a mountain looking over Cape Town.
nice.
No, and it wasn't difficult, but it was real, man. It wasn't a course that we did.
Yeah.
It was a route that we took through the bush, up a mountain. Feel that torque, eh?
I just
Feel that?
and that was third gear.
Yeah.
And like a little foot.
And then just...
Yeah. It's actually quite comfortable to drive. It's not
No,
like...
it's not bad.
I think if I were to have a car like this, I'd probably spend a lot of time paying fines. Like a lot of time. I mean, if anyone does come, then you can literally just do this and then...
Sure.
This thing is nuts. I mean, if we didn't have the mask on, you'd be able to see me. Like, my mouth is probably like, yeah, and like, yeah. Did you decide to like get in touch with us?
I thought, who else can I surprise? And then you messaged me.
So
I think it was yesterday, but then I looked through the message. I actually went through our messages, and I realized like this guy's been in touch for a long time. Like we've been chatting for a while now. No, man, I really appreciate the support, bro. So what do you do exactly?
Me at the
So that
moment,
I can support you a little bit. Do you mind going on
So yeah,
Shut yeah.
we currently like starting our own like blog and vlogging thing.
Okay.
So like travel videos and
You and
stuff.
your lady.
Yeah.
Okay, lekker.
It's a recent venture. It's still very, very fresh.
I'll put his link down here somewhere so that I don't know why I'm pointing here, but it's gonna be there. I promise.
It'll be there.
You guys do cool stuff together.
Hopefully.
Well,
Hopefully it's cool enough for people to appreciate and enjoy.
Well, your lady seems cool AF.
No, she's amazing. Like, can't fault her on anything.
No, that's a keeper, bro. That's a keeper.
100%.
She was as excited as I was to surprise you, which is nice.
She's like, I think we're one of another's like biggest cheerleaders. So like
but
when she excels in something, then I'm like yes.
Yeah.
And then when then she's like
But you gotta
jumping
be.
like mad.
You gotta support we gotta support ourselves, and we gotta support each other.
Definitely. And especially our community also. We need to start like supporting one another.
And,
like
and
a
by
lot of
our
us,
community, you mean colored people.
Yeah. Because a lot of us like don't support one another. Like we're very...
People still think Libreville and I are enemies.
Why?
I don't know.
On other social media like Instagram, our page is more for like trying to help the community and give community awareness on like certain things, like what happened in Hamburg with the guys, like their houses being broken down.
Where was this?
And things like that in Hamburg in Gauteng.
Oh, okay. You guys were somehow involved with the relief effort of that.
Yeah. We give awareness to things like that.
Yeah.
And like homelessness in Cape Town and you know, the likes.
And speaking of likes, smash the like button and go check out your platforms. I'll put the details in the link, and I'll put it in the description as well so the guys can get in touch with you.
Okay, thank you.
Lekker. No, for sure, man. So can I give you a tip?
Go for it.
Would you mind?
I'm always...
Okay, awesome. So do me a favor, when you go around this corner now, just move the steering wheel only when you need to.
Move it only when you need to.
Yeah, no extra movements, just only when you need to. And that would mean you're going to slow down, right? You're going to slow down.
Yeah.
So you want to move it smoothly as possible all the time.
Okay.
Because those little adjustments are just bad habits. But I promise you, once you take that out and you then go fast, then you'll see the difference. So you just go like that, exactly like that. Yeah, exactly like that. So now you just go smoothly and slowly. And then as you get better at that and get used to that, and then you pick up the pace. And then you'll notice your overall pace just goes up. It's a crazy small adjustment to make. And most people make that mistake. Most people make that mistake.
Yeah.
So it's a small adjustment to make that pays like big dividends.
Well, there's a pro tip.
Yes, a pro tip. I was hoping you'd get to experience the pro tip, but we're almost at the end of our test drive. But I can already see that you're feeling the smoothness now. Smoothly, nice and smooth. That's it. Nice. You feel the difference?
Yeah, it's a big difference.
So now you can feel what the road is doing versus, because those little adjustments are just bad habits. You don't have to do that.
Yeah.
When you're on the limit, then you might have to do that. But when you're just cruising around a corner a little bit faster, then you don't have to do that. So if you don't do that, you feel more connected to the road.
Yeah.
Oh, can you feel that? Like you now have loaded the car up, right? Because you're turning.
Yeah.
So the weight is permanently shifted to this side now.
Yeah.
It's there now. Whereas if you're doing that, the weight shifts and shifts and shifts and shifts, and you can't really tell how much actual grip there is. Yeah, I'm going full instructor mode here.
It's all good. I'm not one to like not enjoy anything or not like instructions.
When I sit with guys that are more experienced or faster than me, I flip and take notes, bro.
Yeah, definitely. You always have to sit around people who are better than you.
100%.
Otherwise, you'll never grow.
I totally agree. I try to be the dumbest guy in the room with all the stuff that I do.
Be the dumbest, but then the hardest working.
Yeah. Yeah. Nice, man. That's the stuff there right there, bro. That is the stuff right there. It's awesome to see how fast these bikes and cars actually are. Like somebody was driving next to someone, a Merc, and we just like did a quick first, second gear, but this thing super outlaunched him. But the guy was also like, wow, you know what I mean?
Yeah. It's always fun when like the guy appreciates and not like gets upset.
Yeah, there's no need, man. There's
Yeah.
no need. Although when I'm at the track, it is cut to lose a race, and I've lost a lot of races
But
at the dragster.
yeah, that's different.
Now drag racing is my worst discipline. So
Because of reaction time or?
no, it's just I'm not the best at it. And there's a lot of guys that are like, before, if I went to an event, we have one event a month. So nobody's driven for a month, and then I'll do pretty good if I just jump into a car and go. But now the guys practice every week for a year.
Yeah.
So the skill level now of the drag races, because there's not a lot to do in drag racing.
Yeah. It's mostly the car or the bike.
It's mostly the car, right? But
Yeah.
the stuff that you do learn, it's very, very small details that you need to get really, 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 really good at.
Yeah.
But there's only like 10 things that you need to get good at. And the guys at Killarney, because they race so much, they're really good at those 10 things. So to outlaunch the Killarney crowd, the top guys there, it's not easy anymore because the guys practice every day for a year.
Yeah. I get you.
So yeah, dude, that's almost the end of our test drive, man.
So see you same time tomorrow with the X6.